Welcome to the Wonderlic League Challenge. 15 real questions every section of the test, back to back, a few seconds each. Keep score, let's go. Question 1. A jacket is $120. Marked up 25%, then 30% off. What's the final price? It's 105. Up 25 is 150, then 30 off is 105. Percentages don't cancel. The answer is C. 5 machines make 5 parts in 5 minutes. How long for 100 machines to make 100 parts? Five minutes. Each machine makes 1 part in 5 minutes. 100 just run at once. The trap is 100. The answer is C. Number series. 2, 3, 5, 9, 17. What comes next? $33. The gaps double. 1, 2, 4, 8. So the next jump is 16. 17 plus 16. The answer is D. Trickier one. 4, 9, 7, 12, 10, 15. Next. $13. It's 2 series braided together. 4, 7, 10, and 9, 12, 15. The answer is B. Analogy. Cacophony is to harmony, as turmoil is to what? Peace. Cacophony is the opposite of harmony, so you want the opposite of turmoil. Chaos is the bait. The answer is B. Prolific most nearly means the opposite of barren. Prolific means highly productive. Fruitful is a synonym dropped in to catch you. The answer is B. A 50-liter solution is 12% salt. How much pure water makes it 10%? Ten liters. The salt stays 6 liters. It has to become 10% of 60. You had 50, add 10. The answer is C. A father is 4 times his son's age. In 20 years, only twice. How old is the son now? Ten. Son 10, father 40. In 20 years, 30 and 60, exactly twice. The answer is B. 12 boys average 80, 8 girls average 90. What's the class average? $84, not 85. There are more boys. Weight it. 1680 over 20. The answer is B. Spatial. Watch the arrow and the dot. Which figure comes next? The arrow turns 90 degrees clockwise each step. The dot stays put. Next, it points left. The answer is A. A stock drops 20%, then gains 20%. Compared to the start, down 4%. 100 drops to 80. 20% of 80 is just 16, so 96. Same is the trap. The answer is C. Spatial grid, find the missing piece. Look at how the boxes relate. It's a combine. In each row, the third box is the first two merged, and shared dots cancel. The answer is A. Paper folding, folded twice, one hole punched in the center. Unfolded, how do the holes look? Four holes in a 2x2. Two folds make four layers and they mirror across both folds. The answer is C. Quick one. Which word does not belong? Plateau. Zenith, pinnacle, apex, summit are all the highest point. A plateau is flat. The answer is C. Last one. Both statements true. Does it follow that some auditors are impatient? Cannot be determined. The impatient ones might be the other detail-oriented people. Nothing forces the overlap. The answer is C. So, how many did you get? Be honest. Now, these were tuned to be hard, so here's how to read your score. 4 to 7 right. You're right around the average test taker, and that's exactly what training fixes fastest. 8 to 11, you're already ahead of most people who walk in cold. And 12 or more, you're testing elite, comfortably above the cutoff for almost any job. Whatever tripped you up, I've got you. I'm building a separate playlist for every single question type: math, word problems, number series, analogies, spatial, paper folding, and I'm adding to them constantly. So pick your weak spot and just drill that playlist. And when you're ready to take this to the next level, real full-length timed practice tests, score tracking, and the complete system, that's the link in the description. Because none of this is talent. It's pattern recognition under a clock, and it is 100% trainable. Train the patterns and walk in knowing every game on the board.